So this is the LLM 101 session, and we are going to take a brisk look at large language models, and we're going to do so in kind of a hopefully fun and interesting approach. But let's jump into the LLM stuff. Just to position LLMs, large language models, they're a kind of model that focuses on language. And so many of the characteristics that we're going to poke at and look at are going to be built around the way language works. And so we're going to get a pretty good understanding of how models are built around the fundamental characteristics of language. So you don't need to be a sort of a language expert to understand the basics, but there's certainly a kind of overlap between the folks who spend their time understanding language and then what that means in the context of a large language model. Large language models are generative AI systems, so they generate text from prompts, and they are also within the scope of deep learning. So we generally are a neural network kind of a system with many layers, and we'll see this in the examples that we take a look at. And this is a kind of machine learning, which is a kind of artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence just means anything that does something kind of like a human would. So if you have a Raspberry Pi that opens your window when it gets too hot, well, that's artificial intelligence, right, to some degree. And so, I think often people conflate AI with LLMs because it's the first thing that the broad community and the public have recognized as a value add in their lives over regular kinds of tools. So AI LLM is not equal, but that a lot of people conflate